So what we're going to be doing today is a little bit different. I have assigned to all of you a practice assessment that is in the Google Classroom. So you'll be able to access that whenever you want. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it right now. So this is what it looks like. You each have your own copy of it. It's called the Practice Assessment for Angles and Parallels. You can ignore this click to add subtitle thing. I just didn't take it off. There wasn't actually a reason for it. So what this is you're going to get this picture, and it'll be the same for everybody right now. This is what your actual assessment is going to look like, but it's going to be a little bit bigger on the actual assessment. This practice assessment is kind of just a shorter version. So basically you're given two angles here, and then you have these three lines that are marked with the little dashes on the side. All three of these are parallel. What you're going to do is use angle rules to determine the measure of all of the rest of the lettered angles in here. The other thing that you'll need to be able to finish this is to know that the sum of all of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So like I, H, and G will add up to 180. K, L, and P will add up to 180. When you finish an angle, I wouldn't recommend going in order, by the way. There are a couple that you won't be able to get in order. But when you finish finding the measure of an angle, you can go into your answer page, just double click next to the letter. It'll pull up a text box. You can fill in the angles for each one. So if I think that A is 20 degrees, I can just put in a 20 and then leave it like that. Once you finish those, there are 3 additional questions that are really short and easy. But this is basically just a shortened and easier version of the assessment that we're going to have next week. So it's a little different. It's not a math-based quiz like we normally do, but I think this is going to be better anyway. But I want to make sure you know how to do it. So if you have any questions about how to find this or how to actually fill it out, let me know. But otherwise, all we're going to be doing today is working on this. And then Monday, I'll kind of go over how it works before giving you the actual test. So are there any questions about that right now? All right, cool. Go ahead and get to it. If you need help at any point in time, let me or Barb know, and we will be happy to help you out with it.